Hi, Goddess of Love here. Again, kamusta kayo dyan mga goddess ko? So, yan, another reading na naman tayo today for the water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. So, kamusta kayo dyan mga water signs natin dyan? So, yan, matagal-tagal tayong walang reading, no? Lagpas 1 week, no? Mga water signs natin dyan, no? So, na-miss ko ang mga water signs natin, mga goddesses ko dyan. So, tignan natin, no, anong energy ng mga water signs natin. Possible na mga paparating sa inyo, sino or anong sitwasyon ba, mga possible na paparating for you, mga water signs natin. And of course, message advice ni universe for you, no, mga water signs natin. But then, before we start, no, again, available pa rin ang ating mga crystal bracelets, evil eye bracelets natin sa ating Shopee, no. So, ang link ay nandyan sa ating description below. And of course, sa mga napapanood dito sa TikTok, please punta kayo dito sa ating YouTube channel. Dito nyo i-click yung ating Shopee link, no, of course, no. So, and sa mga personal na gustong magpa-personalize ng kanilang mga crystal bracelets, message me sa ating Shopee of course, no, also, no, mga goddesses ko dyan, right, no. So, Leah, so, yeah, let's start, no, with you, no, mga Cancer, no. So, kamusta kayo dyan, mga Cancer natin? Let's see anong meron sa mga Cancer natin. Anong energy ng mga Cancer natin right now? So, let's see. Kuha tayo ng one card for you, Cancer. What's your energy? No? What's the energy for Cancer, please? Let's see. Anong meron sa mga Cancer natin? So, you have this, no? Ano to? Death. No, so kapag sinabing death, no, may rebirth 'yan, no. So for some of you, no, ang nakikita ko rito, no, sabihin natin na yan, no, may mga nag-end sa buhay ninyo, or sabihin natin may mga nag-end or natapos na sitwasyon right now for some of you, no, mga Cancer. So ang nakikita ko rito, no, medyo nag-struggle kayo, no, recently, mga Cancer natin. But then, ang nakikita ko is, matatapos na to, no, with the death, no, right? No, matatapos na to mga problema na pinagdadaanan ninyo right now, no? At alam ko na lumalaban pa rin kayo, no? At talagang ginagawa nyo ng paraan, ano man to mga problema ninyo, mga pagsubok na dumarating, right? No, nasa pagsubok kayo right now, no, mga Cancer natin. But then, kapag natapos to at nalalagpasan nyo to, ang ganda naman ng outcome, right? No, kasi kapag may death, may rebirth yan, no? May bagong simula, no? Something like that, no? So, ayun yung nakikita ko rito, right? No? So, once malagpasan mo yan, mga Cancer natin, may magandang simula na naghihintay sa inyo, right? And then, for some of you, no, recently, may nag-pass away din. For some of you, nasa grieving stage kayo. Right now, you are mourning, no? For some of you, Cancer, and yeah, condolence po sa inyo, no, ng family ninyo, no, mga Cancer natin. So, malalagpasan mo din po yan at eventually, no, makaka-recover ka din. Basta, ikaw din mismo yung mag-heal sa sarili mo, no, mga Cancer natin. No? So, right now, you are struggling right now for some of you, Cancer, sa problema man, and then sa taong mahalaga sa iyo na nawala, na recently passed away, no. So for some of you, no, alam kong malalagpasan nyo to at makaka-recover din kayo, right, no. So just take your time, and of course, no, wag lang yung patagalin, and you have to heal yourself, no, mga Cancer natin, right, no. So let's see what are the possible pa na paparating for you, no, mga Cancer natin, no. Possible na paparating for Cancer, ano man yan, sitwasyon man yan, tao man yan, ano man, no? Tignan natin. Kuha tayo ng 2 cards here for you, Cancer. Possible na mga paparating for Cancer, please. Universe, Holy Spirit, what are the possible, sabihin nating challenges man yan, news man yan, person or whatever, no, na mga paparating for Cancer, please. Kuha tayo ng 2 cards. So, let's see. So, you have this, no, 5 of Cups and then 2 of Pentacles. No, so for some of you, no, ang nakikita ko rito, no, sabihin natin na parang ang nakikita ko rito, no, parang for some of you, may mga or may nagugustuhan ba kayong person? No, but then ang nakikita ko, you are juggling, no, with the 2 of Cups here. I mean Pentacles here, no. You are juggling, no. Parang may pinagpipilian kayo, no. But then with the 5 of Cups here, no, ang nakikita ko rito is sabihin natin na masaya ka no, masaya ka, no, but then kailangan mong mamili right? You are juggling here, no. Parang pinagpipilian mo yung person mo ba, or for some of you ang nakikita ko person mo, or something na magpapasaya sa'yo, no, mga Cancer, no. So parang pinagpipilian mo career or love, no, for some of you, kaya you are juggling, no, for some of you, no. So yeah, medyo mahirap, no, maybe may magandang career na naghihintay, or you want this career na matagal na gustong gusto mo, but then there is someone din na mako-compromise yung love no, something like that. So mahirap na decision for some of you, and you are in a crossroad right now, no, mga Cancer natin, no. So ayun yung nakikita ko rito, no. You are choosing between your happiness and between happiness and love of your life, no, something like that, no, kasi magkaiba yung happiness mo sa sarili mo and happiness mo pagdating sa partnership or kung ano man relationship, right? Magkaiba kasi yan most of us, no, na nakakalimutan natin kasi ang sariling kaligayahan natin, right, no? Meron pa rin tayong sariling kaligayahan even though we have our own family, may partner tayo, may asawa tayo, na akala natin masaya na tayo sa family. But then, yung pinapangarap mo nung bata ka pa, right, no? Ayun yung totoong happiness mo na sana man lang nagawa ko to before ako nag-asawa, before I settled down, no, something like that, no. So, for some of you Cancer, no, you are choosing, no, you are struggling to choose, no, kung career man na gustong-gusto mo, pangarap mo, and then settling down, no, sa person na gusto mo din. Something like that, no. So, maybe for some of you, kailangan mo lang i-balance, no. For some of you, masyado kang nag-overthink, no, ang mga Cancer natin, no. So, maybe for some of you, kailangan mo lang i-balance yung way of thinking mo, no. Pwede naman sabihin natin, pwede mo namang pagsabayin for some of you, no, nang hindi nako-compromise ang bawat isa or kung ano man yan, right, no. Kung sabihin natin bata ka pa naman, so kailangan siguro i-pursue mo muna yung dreams mo before settling down, because para parehas din kayong settled na rin. I mean, ready for the future na, 'di ba? Kailangan din dito ay yung bang mag-ipon muna kayo for some of you, no, live to the fullest muna kayo, right, no, ng iyong person before settling down para naman sa inyong sariling family, no, kung bata pa naman kayo, right, no. So meron pang time para sa sarili mo, so wag kang magmamadali rin na makipag-commit, no, for some of you, no. Kailangan mo lang dito ng wise decision, no, mga Cancer natin, right, no. So ayun yung nakikita ko rito, no. Kailangan din, yun nga, no, kung hindi pa naman kailangan magmadali mag-asawa, no, i-pursue mo muna yung mga pangarap mo sa buhay para at the end of the day, hindi ka magsisisi, right, no. Marami kasi dyan nag-aasawa ng maaga, tapos kapag eto na, nag-i-struggle na kayo sa relationship, sasabihin nyo, sana pala na ganito, ganyan, sana pala tinapos ko yun. Diba? Maraming regrets. So, kailangan, para hindi tayo mapunta doon, gawin mo muna yung pinapangarap mo. 'Di ba? And then, eventually, ito pa naman yung love, hindi naman mawawala yan Habang buhay tayo, may love pa rin naman, right? No, but then, ang pangarap natin, no, habang may chance tayo, gawin natin, no, something like that, no, mga Cancer natin, right? No, so let's see what else, no, na possible na paparating for you, mga Cancer natin. What else? Oops, sorry. Ayan na naman tayo sa ating camera, no? Nasagi na naman. So, yeah, possible na paparating na naman for, for Cancer. Please, no? Kuha pa tayo ng 2 cards here for you. Possible na paparating for Cancer. Let's see. Tingnan natin yan. So, you have this, no? You are lucky, and then, no. So, ang nakikita ko naman dito, no, for some of you, no, na medyo may mga mabigat na pinagdadaanan, still, no, parang nawawalan na kayo ng pag-asa sa buhay, no. Sinasabi rito, no, no. So, possible na paparating rito, magkakaroon kayo ng frustration sa buhay ninyo. But then, ang isipin mo, no, you are still lucky, no, because meron pa rin dyan iba, mas malala pa yung pinagdadaanan sa iyo, right? No, so wag mong iisipin na wala ka ng pag-asa, right? No, marami pa rin ang mas mabigat ang pinagdadaanan kesa sa iyo, mga Cancer natin, right? No, so possible na paparating sa iyo frustration in life, depression for some of you, no? Kasi nga feeling mo na parang wala ka ng pag-asa kung ano man itong mga problemang pinagdadaanan mo, na parang you are being stuck, no, na wala ka ng kawala sa mga problema. But then, wag mong iisipin yun, no. Isipin mo na lang may mas malala pa na mga tao ang may sitwasyon sa iyo na pinagdadaanan. But then, tignan mo sila, masaya pa rin nilang hinaharap ang araw-araw, right? No, so kailangan maging positive lang tayo rito, right, mga Cancer? Huwag mag-overthinking, no? Para malagpasan mo whatever obstacle, challenges in life, right? No, be positive always, right? Mga Cancer natin, no? So, let's see what else, no, possible na paparating for you, mga Cancer natin. Let's see. Kuha pa tayo rito. 2 cards for Cancer, please. 2 cards for Cancer. Tignan pa natin. Dapat pala hindi possible, no, mga possible na paparating, no. Kung ano ba yung mga dapat yung malaman, no? Something like that, no? Parang ang gulo ng possible na paparating. But then, of course, no, ayun na yung nasabi natin. So, let's see what else. So, the Empress, and then 7 of Wands. No, so for some of you, no, possible na paparating, or nakikita ko rito, no, with the Empress here, no. So, very nurturing kayo, no. For some of you, no, marami na kayong mga pinagdaan ng pagsubok sa buhay, naging mas matatag na kayo. With the 7 of Wands, no, ang nakikita ko rito, no, partner for some of you, no. Kasi kayo yung Empress, right, no? Parang feeling kasi ng partner ninyo na natataasan nyo siya, no? Ego ang umiiral for some of you. Maybe for some of you, napaka-strong ng personality mo, Cancer, no? At nai-intimidate ang iyong partner, no? Something like that, no, mga Cancer natin. So, maybe kailangan lang dito ay balancing lang, no, sa inyong relationship, situationship man ito, no. Because you are this, no, the Empress, napaka-strong ng iyong personality, no. Lagi kayong may arguments, no, dinadaan niya, no, kasi nga parang feeling niya hindi siya maakaangat sa iyo, no, something like that, no. So intindihin mo na lang, no, ikaw yung mas nakakaintindi for sure, no. So para maiwasan yung pagtatalo, no, mga Cancer natin, no. Intindihin mo na lang, mas lawakan mo pa, ang iyong pangunawa with that person, no, para hindi na rin lumala yung sitwasyon, no. Kasi ang nakikita ko rin dito, no, kumbaga, ano rin siya, no, gusto lang din niya ng care from you, no. Kasi hindi niya kasi aminado tong tao na to sa sarili niya na hindi niya kayang gawin kung ano yung mga nakakaya mong gawin for some of you Cancer, right? Kailangan ka rin ng tao na ito, right? No, ikaw yung nagiging motivation ng tao na to, inspiration ng tao na ito, right? Mga Cancer natin. So, kailangan mo na lang dito lawakan mo yung pangunawa mo sa tao na ito, no? At wag lang sana yung compartment kayo, wag lang sana yung lolokohin ka, no? Of course. But then, ang nakikita ko lang dito is nai-intimidate lang siya, no? That's why parang for some of you naiinit ang ulo na, no? So, mas ikaw na lang yung umunawa kasi may mga kaya kang gawin na hindi niya kayang gawin, no? Napo-frustrate itong tao na ito. But then, ang nakikita ko, mahal ka naman niya, no? Something like that, no? So, kailangan lang dito ay ikaw na lang ang mas nakakaunawa at lawakan mo ang iyong pangunawa pa sa tao na ito, right? No? Eventually, nagkakaayos rin naman kayo, right? No? Simple arguments lang naman to, no? At hindi pagkakaunawaan, no? Sa mga bagay-bagay, no? Something like that, no? Mga Cancer natin, right? No? So, let's see. What's the message advice for you ni Universe, no? Mga Cancer natin. Let's see. Message advice for you ni Universe. Kuha tayo ng one card for you. Cancer. Message advice. So, tignan natin yan. Oops! Ano ba? Wait lang. So, yan, no, naalaglag na naman yung ating cam. So, yeah, ang iyong message advice from the universe is, your only limit is your mind, right? No, so, napakaganda ng message sa'yo ni ni universe, no? Mga Cancer na. So, what does it mean? No? Your only limit is your mind. So, literally, no, there is no limit, no? When it comes to your whatever it is, no? Your goals in life, no? Ideas, something like that, no? Limitation mo lang yung mind mo kapag nag-stop ka ng mag-think. Something like that, right? But then, if you are this na, you are very creative, no? Sa iyong mind, no? Kung ano man tong naiisip mo, no? Walang limitation eh, diba? Nagsisimula tayo, right, na sa mga dreams natin, pangarap, right, no? Na naiisip natin. So, walang limitation sa dreams, no? So, sinasabi din ni universe, no? Hanggang magawa mo yan, no? Hindi yan magiging limitation, right? No? Walang sabihin natin na hindi kayang gawin kung ang mind mo mag-stop ng mag-think ng iyong pangarap sa buhay, right? And hanggat nangangarap ka, no, there is no limitation. Basta gawin mo. No, parang sinasabi rin, no, lagi kong sinasabi nga na nothing is impossible with God, right? No? And of course, in yourself kapag naniniwala ka, no? Just be positive, be optimistic every day, no? Something like that na lahat ay magagawa mo, that nothing is impossible with God, with your faith in God, and with your faith sa sarili mo, right? Sa sariling kakayahan mo, magagawa at magagawa mo, no? There is no limitation nga, sabi nga eh, right? No? Basta maniniwala ka sa kakayahan mo, right? Mga Cancer natin. So, wag mong limitahan yung pangangarap mo because kaya mo, kung ano yung naiisip mo, kaya mong gawin yan, no? Kailangan mo lang ng determination, motivation to do that, no? And magdasal lang kayo, nabigyan kayo pa ng magandang ideas, no? Lakas ng loob, no? Self-confidence, no? Palawakin ninyo ang iyong creative mind, no? Something like that, no, mga Cancer. And there is no limit, no? Binibigyan ka na dito ni universe nang wala kang kailangang ilimit sa iyong imahinasyon, no? At yung imagination mo, you can make it true, no? Basta you are determined to do that, no? Something like that, mga Cancer natin, right? No, so yeah, that's it for you, mga Cancer natin. So, I hope na naka-resonate kayo sa reading ninyo today, mga Cancer natin. So, yeah, God bless you all and thank you for watching, Cancer. So, yeah, let's continue with you, Scorpio. So, kamusta kayo dyan, mga Scorpio natin dyan, no? Anong meron sa mga Scorpio natin, right? No? So, let's see. What's your energy, no, mga Scorpio? Let's see. What's your energy for the Scorpio natin? Energy for Scorpio, please. Let's see. So, you have this, the lovers, no? So, for some of you, no, mga Scorpio natin, no? So, you are always thinking, no, sa isang tao, no? Something like that, no? With the lovers here, no? So, ang nakikita ko rito, no? May someone na, I mean, there is someone na lagi mong iniisip, no? For some of you, no, Scorpio, no? Maybe, medyo nauubos na yung oras mo kakaisip sa tao na ito, right? No? Pinapangarap mo itong tao na ito, right? No, so, yeah, no? So, may nagde-daydreaming for some of you, Scorpio, with this person on your mind, no? So, palagi itong nasa isip mo, 24/7, no? Parang, you see this person as an angel, no? For some of you, no? Mga Scorpio natin, no? So, mahal na mahal mo tong tao na ito. I don't know if you are with this person, no? So, ikaw lang din nakakalam. So, right now, ang nakikita ko dito is you are in love with this person, no? So, ayun yung nakikita ko for some of you, no, mga Scorpio natin. So, let's see, no, ano mga possible na paparating for you, mga Scorpio natin. Possible na paparating for you, mga Scorpio. Let's see. Kuha tayo ng 2 cards here for you, Scorpio. Possible na paparating for Scorpio, please. Let's see. Possible na paparating for Scorpio. Madulas yung mga cards natin. Let's see. Possible na paparating for Scorpio, please. Let's see. So, 7 of Pentacles, no? And then, the Moon. So, ang nakikita ko rito, no, mga Scorpio natin, no, meron kang mga tinatago or mga, kumbaga itong mga itong ginagawa mo, you are working hard, no, something like that, no. But with the Moon, no, parang itinatago mo, no, for some of you, no. So, ang nakikita ko rito, no, so, ito yung nakikita ko na parang message or kung ano man ito, right, no, mga Scorpio, right, no. So, you are, no, may mga something na parang you are investing into something but then you are doing it secretly, no, mga Scorpio natin, no. So, for some of you, no, mga Scorpio, meron kang mga investments na tinatago mo, no, sa mga tao sa paligid mo, no, something like that. Or you want to invest into something na you want to do it, no, but then secretly do it, no, something like that, no. Parang meron kang gustong paglaanan ng iyong mga pinagpaguran, no, something like that, no. Parang may gusto kang pag-alayan nito, no, but then you want this secretly, no, something like that, no, mga Scorpio natin, no. So, ayun yung nakikita ko rito, no. So, possible na paparating sa'yo, no, na in the future, no, ay meron kang gagawin na bagay na isisikreto mo lang, no, something like that, no. So, ayun yung nakikita ko rito, no, mga Scorpio natin, no. Meron kang mga pinaplano secretly, no. You will do it secretly, no, something like that, no, mga Scorpio natin. So, what else, no, kuha pa tayo dito for you, for, ano ba yan, for you, Scorpio, no. So, let's see, wait lang. Ang 2 cards for you. Tanggalin lang natin, no, nagagas. Yeah, so let's see. Possible na paparating pa for you, mga Scorpio natin. Kuha tayo ng 2 cards here for you, Scorpio. Let's see. So, star, your hope and optimism are a powerful love magnet for you right now. And then, passion, wow. Keep the flame up of passion alive. It's the heartbeat of love. Ito, no, sabi rito, no, possible na paparating or kung ano man ito, no, may challenge, no, may challenge sa relationship, no, for some of you mga Scorpio, no, ang nakikita ko rito, no, but then sinasabi rito be optimistic lang, no, mga Scorpio natin, right, no, so wag kang mawalan ng pag-asa, right? No? At magtatagpo pa rin kayo ng person na ito, no? Whoever it is, right? Na nahinihintay mo or may pagkakalayo, may distance, no? Ang nakikita ko rito. With the star, wish fulfillment mo tong tao na ito, no? Scorpio, right? No? Kumbaga parehas kayo ng nararamdaman ng tao. So, may connection to doon sa the lovers, right? Na may tao kang palaging iniisip, right? No, so ang nakikita ko rito, no, you are wishing for this person or vice versa, right? No, so yeah, for sure kilala mo na ito, right? Kasi pinapangarap mo siya no, mga Scorpio natin, no. With the star, no, siya yung wish mo, no. Wini-wish mo na tao na mahal mo, right? No, so may mutual understanding for some of you, no, ang nakikita ko rito at talagang namamagnet nyo ang isa't isa. So maybe in the right time, no, so be patient lang din and be optimistic lang, no, na magtatagpo pa rin kayo ng person na to dahil may pagkakalayo, no, magkikita at magtatagpo pa rin kayo because you are beating at the same your heart beats at the same time, no, something like that, no, parang may pagka soul or twin flame connection, no, or sabi natin kahit walang soul tie, no, basta I think is the feeling is mutual here, no, you both love each other here, no, so ayun ang nakikita ko, but then may pagkakalayo, may distance, no, something like that, no, so wag kang mag-alala, no? Just keep on praying and wishing at eventually at the right time, no? Magkikita at magtatagpo rin kayo ng tao na ito na pinapangarap mo, no? Mga Scorpio natin, no? Darating at darating din yun, no? Mga Scorpio, right? No? So let's see what else, no? Ang paparating for you, mga Scorpio natin. Let's see ano pang meron. Tingnan natin. Kuha pa tayo ng 2 cards here for you, Scorpio. Let's see. So, I don't care to be perfect and then that die is the die is cast. So yan, no, ang nakikita ko rito, no, for some of you mga paparating Scorpio, no, ang may mga tao na magiging judgmental for some of you, no, maybe for some of you magkakaroon pa ng mga chismis kung ano man ito, but then wag mo silang intindihin, no, because we are all just human being, no, and nobody's perfect, right? No, either you, either me, right? Walang perfect sa atin, only God, our source, is perfect because siya yung gumawa sa atin, right? No, but then all human beings walang perfect, no, so bakit ka magiging judgmental if you are this two na hindi ka naman din perfect, right? No, so to all those na people na judgmental dyan, tignan nyo muna yung sarili ninyo, right? Before kayo mag-judge ng kapwa ninyo. So, ayun lang din yung masasabi ko. Because, alam nyo, marami sa pagiging judgmental ng mga tao sa mundo, right? Hindi nyo nalala mental health ng tao na dinajudge nyo, ng binubuli ninyo. Kasi, being judgmental is bullying also, right? No? So, kailangan tigilan nyo na yan. Please. Kasi hindi nyo alam ano yung effect niyan sa mga tao na ginajudge nyo. Problems are increasing with those bullying for being judgmental to others, no? Something like that, 'di ba, mga Scorpio natin. So, wag niyong intindihin yung mga tao, no? So, kayo mas palakasin yung loob nyo kung ano man ginagawa nyo. who cares, right? No? Tao. Ang mas importante dito, i-please nyo yung sarili ninyo and please God, no? Our Creator, right? No? Kasi siya yung nagja-judge talaga sa atin, no? Sa kailangan dito, maging mabuting tao tayo, right? Habang nabubuhay tayo. So, mas maganda na maiiwanan tayong magandang image. Hindi yung iiwan natin yung mundo na may mga galit sa atin, right? Na may magsasabing, buti nga, ganyan-ganyan, di ba? Ang sakit naman nun, right? No? So, mas maganda yung mawala tayo sa mundo na may maganda tayong image na magiging mga tao na naiiwanan or iiwanan natin, right? Something like that ng mga Scorpio natin, no? So, wag kayong maging judgmental masyado sa kapwa ninyo, no? Sabi ko nga, tignan mo muna yung sarili mo before you judge someone, right? Ikaw ba perfect ka? And then, if you think you are, then you can judge, no? You can bully someone, but then, if you're not, you don't have the right to bully someone, 'di ba? Something like that, no? So what else? So kuha pa tayo ng possible challenges for sorry po, no, message advice na pala, no, for you Scorpio. Let's see, message advice for Scorpio, please. Kuha tayo ng isang card for you. Kuha tayo ng isang card for Scorpio. So, let's see. Do more of what makes you happy, right? 'Di ba sabi ko nga, no? Whatever you do, whatever you are doing right now, it doesn't matter, no? Kasi gusto mo yan, no? Bakit mo iintindihin ang sasabihin ng ibang tao? If that makes you happy, then do it, right? No? Ikaw yan, Ikaw yung sarili mo ang mahalaga rito, hindi sasabihin ng ibang tao. Sasabihin ng ibang tao is just being judgmental nga, no? Marami pa rin. Mas konti nga lang yung ma-appreciate ka, no? But then, accept that, no? Hindi naman natin lahat mapi-please, or hindi naman natin lahat ay makukuha ang loob, right? No? So, it doesn't matter, no? But basta ikaw, masaya ka sa ginagawa mo, no? Something like that ng mga Scorpio, no? Kung ano yung magpapasaya sa'yo, gawin mo, right? No? Kasi ayun yung gusto mo, ayun yung alam mong magiging masaya ka. Iko-compromise mo ba yung sariling kasiyahan mo dahil lang sa sinasabi ng ibang tao? So, anong gusto mo? Maging habang buhay na parang lonely ka na lang, na hindi mo nagawa yung gusto mong gawin because ayaw ng ibang tao, because sasabihin ng ibang tao, no? Pinaka-importante dito is happiness. Ang happiness, ang hirap i-achieve niyan, sabi ko nga, but true happiness is really hard to achieve, right? No? Kayo ba, tingin nyo ba sa sarili nyo that you are really happy right now? That you are contented of what you are or where you are right now, mga goddesses ko, right? Because sa sarili nyo ba, sa tingin nyo, na-pursue nyo or nakuha nyo na ba yung gustong-gusto nyo para sa sarili ninyo? Right? So, tanungin nyo yung sarili nyo if you are really happy right now. 'Di ba? Something like that, no? So, kung ano yung magpapasaya sa inyo, gawin nyo. No? Binibigyan ka ng consent dito ni universe, ng ating source. Because God loves you and wants you to be happy. Something like that, 'di ba, mga Scorpio natin, right? No, so yeah, that's it for you, mga Scorpio natin. So, I hope na naka-resonate kayo sa reading ninyo today, mga Scorpio natin. So, yeah, God bless you all. God bless you all, and thank you for watching, Scorpio. So, yeah, no, let's proceed to you, Pisces, no? So, kamusta kayo dyan, mga Pisces natin? So, let's see. What's your energy, Pisces? Let's see. Energy for Pisces, please. Anong meron? Anong energy na mga Pisces natin? Let's see. Kamusta kayo? So, you have this, no? Four of Wands, no? So, ang nakikita ko rito, Pisces, no? That you are thinking of your marriage, no? Something like that, no? Maybe for some of you, if you are a man, no? Something like that. If you are the masculine, maybe you are thinking of proposing, something like that, no? Sa iyong partner, sa iyong girlfriend. And for some of you, if you are the feminine, no? May you want to get married na din, you want to settle down with your person, something like that, no? So marriage, no, all about marriage, no, ang naiisip, o for some of you, no, you are busy, no, sa paparating na marriage, no, you are this na busy na nag-aasikaso ng inyong marriage, no, paparating na kasal, no, something like that, no, Pisces. So maganda yung nakikita ko dito, no, for some of you. But then ang nakikita ko rin dito, no, for some of you, nagkakaroon din, no, meron din dito for some of you, no, may problema sa kanilang marriage, sorry, no, may problema, yeah, for some of you, ang nakikita ko naman dito, may problema kayong, may problema regarding sa marriage, something like that, no, sa inyong asawa, partner, no, with the snakes here, no, may mga betrayal, cheating akong nakikita dito for some of you, dumadaan sa matinding pagsubok ang inyong married life, no, something like that, no. So yeah, so ayun yung nakikita ko rito na merong struggle for some of you, maraming involved na tao. For some of you rin, no, sa inyong maraming nangingialam sa buhay asawa, pag sa buhay ano bang tawag dito, sa pagkakaroon ng sa inyong mag-asawa, no, something like that, no. May mga nanggugulo, no, something, at ayun yung nagbabother, no. Medyo may pinagdadaanan ng iba sa inyo sa regarding sa inyong partner, no, something like that, no, mga Pisces natin. So let's see ano pang meron for you, no, mga Pisces natin. Let's see, kuha tayo ng 2 cards here for you, Pisces. Let's see ano pang meron for you, Pisces. No, ayun na lang sabihin natin ano pang meron. Kuha tayong 2 cards for you, Pisces. Anong mga meron paparating or anong meron pang ganap, no? Tingnan natin. So you have this 9 of Cups and then 4 of Pentacles, no. So for some of you, no, yeah, paparating, ang nakikita ko rito, paparating is abundance, no, for some of you, Pisces, no, na may for some of you, may malaking perang marireceive, no, may paparating na malaking pera, something like that, at ine-expect mo ito, no, because of your hard work, no. So ayun yung nakikita ko rito, no, at kahit sabihin mong may isang cup na nahulog rito, you don't mind because alam mo na solid na yung foundation mo, no, something like that, at marami ka ng bala, no, something like that, no. So paparating, no, paparating is abundance, no, abundance, no, for some of you, no, Pisces. So napakaganda nito, right, no, hindi lang naman to kaperahan, no, abundance sa sarili, no, contentment, no, pagiging sabihin nating maayos ang buhay, pagiging masaya, kontento, maayos ang samahan, no, something like that, no, paparating sa inyo, no, mga Pisces natin. So what else, no, kuha pa tayo, ano pang meron paparating for you, mga Pisces natin. Let's see ano pang meron for Pisces. Let's see ano pang meron. Yeah, tingnan pa natin. You have this 8 of Cups and then 3 of Pentacles. No, so for some of you, no, medyo no ang paparating may problema regarding sa partnership, relationship, no, something like that, no, with the Eight of Cups, no. Merong masisira or may sa relationship ito, right, no, may lalayo, may separation na mangyayari because of third party, something like that, because of third party, because of finances, no, something like that, no, merong mag-e-end na relationship for some of you. Baka both of you magde-decide na kayo. For some of you, dadaan pa kayo ng mga counseling, no, kung anong mga dapat gawin, right? No, for some of you, maybe legal separation din ang mangyayari, no, paparating, mag-aasikaso kayo ng mga papers, no, legal counsel, no, magko-consult kayo for some of you, mga Pisces natin, no. So ayun yung nakikita ko rito, no, merong legal separation for some of you, no, mga Pisces natin. And what else, no, ano pang paparating for you, mga Pisces natin? Let's see. Kuha pa tayo ng 2 cards here for you, Pisces. Tingnan pa natin. Ay, shuffle ko lang nga. Wait lang. Yeah, ano pang meron paparating for Pisces, please? Universe, no? Holy Spirit, let's see. Ano pang possible? Let's see. Kuha tayo ng 2 cards again. So, closure. Not all connections are meant to be. Accept closure. And then, twin flame, trust the magnetic pull of your twin flame. It will guide you towards them. So, for some of you, no, ang nakikita ko rito, no, may strong connection with a twin flame. For some of you, may soul tie or strong connection, no, but then it has to end. No, something like that, no, meron talagang mag-e-end na relationship. Maybe for some of you, kasi pag sinabing twin flame, no, maybe sabihin nating may struggle din kasi kapag twin flame, no, kung sino man naniniwala dito, right, no, but then yeah, may magnetic pull kasi to, right, no, but then laging opposite, no, so maybe there is something na, or there is talaga na dapat i-end, no. Hindi porket sinabing twin flame kayo ay kailangan kayo yung magkatuluyan, right, no, but then ang nakikita ko rito, no, you have to accept closure with this twin flame, no, so ayun yung nakikita ko rito for some of you Pisces, no, there is a closure here, no, kailangan i-accept, no, at hindi na ipagpilitan pa, no, something like that, no, at kasi kung habang pinagpipilitan lalong nagkakaroon ng conflict between the both of you, no, something like that, no, ng person na ito, right, no, so kayo lang din nakakaalam niyan, no, mga Pisces natin, no, so kailangan may mag-end, kailangan ng closure at ending, no, with this person, no, something like that. So tingnan naman natin, no, message advice for you Pisces ni Universe, no, kuha tayo ng 1 card here. Message advice for you Pisces. Let's see. Good things take time, no, so sinasabi rito for some of you, no, mga Pisces, no, hindi palagi kasi, alam ba, kung may hinihintay ka yung something na sabihin natin na ang magandang outcome, ang magandang results, no, ay hindi yan instantly, no, it takes time, no, something like that. We have to work hard to have a good things to come, right? Hindi yan yung parang siwan tamad tayo na nakahiga lang sa puno at hihintayin nating bumagsak yung bunga, right? No, we have to work hard for it, and then tawag dito ay go to the process, no, something like that, no, and then good things will come, no, something like that, no, hindi yan instantly, no, pinaghihirapan, no, ang mga bawat magagandang bagay sa mundo, right, no. Tayo nga, 'di ba? Kailangan natin ng magandang cellphone. Kailangan muna nating mag-ipon, kailangan muna nating magtrabaho to have that new cellphone. Something like that, right? No? So good things takes time, right? No, something like that. So kung hindi man maganda yung ngayon, no? Asahan mo meron at meron pa ring magandang paparating for you, no, mga Pisces natin. Kaya huwag kayong mawawalan ng pag-asa, no. Just be optimistic, think positive always, no. Remove all the negativities, no. Stop overthinking. Madalas ako mag-overthink, but minsan talaga, no, hindi ko napipigilan, but then biglang nagre-remind sa akin, lalo na pag naaalala ko, no, ang laging sinasabi ni God sa akin is be positive, no? Alisin ko na yung mga negativity sa aking pag-iisip, right? No? So, ang laki ng epekto niyan, right? No? Kung ano kasing naiisip natin, madalas na ma-manifest natin yan. So, ayun yung nagiging reality. So, ang dapat gawin mo, yung good things to make it reality, no? Ayun ang isipin nyo palagi, no? Something like that, mga Pisces. And believe me, no? Once na lagi mo yan naisip, mga good things, no? Positive things, it will make happen. It will happen, no, something like that. And believe me on that, no, because I experienced that and I am experiencing it right now, mga Pisces natin, right? No, so yeah, that's it for you, mga Pisces natin, no, overall. Water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces, no? So, I hope na all of you naka-resonate kayo sa reading ninyo today. So, maraming salamat sa always na panonood sa ating mga readings for you, and see you again sa mga next readings natin for you, no, mga water signs, my goddesses, no, of course, no. So, thank you, and keep on praying, have faith in God, no, be positive always. Alisin ng mga negativities, right? No, so yeah, that's it for you. God bless you all, and thank you for watching Water Signs.